Hey y'all, hey, in this tutorial I'm going to give you a quick tip. This is going to show you how to bring a little air out. We're not going to deflate, but we're going to get a little air out of a mylar balloon or a foil balloon. In cases where it's going to be an extremely hot day, it is wise to not fully inflate the mylar balloon. Now, I'm inside, it's not as hot, and I just realized tomorrow's gonna be a scorcher. So I've already inflated the balloon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a very long balloon straw, okay? And I'm going to insert it where the valve is, and I'm gonna let a little air out. Now be gentle because you don't want to damage the valve because this is self-sealing. And if I damage it, then the balloon is going to be faulty, okay? I don't know if I damage it because this is not going to be installed till tomorrow, and I'll know immediately within like 5 minutes if I damage it. So you want to be gentle. You're going to go ahead and find the valve. Go ahead and put the straw in, and then you keep inserting, and then you can feel the pressure. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it. You're going to gently take it back out, and now it's a little soft, okay? And I'm going to leave it just like that, because I know it's going to be very hot. So know that when you go outside, foil balloons are sensitive to temperature. So if it's very hot, they will expand and it's going to burst. If you're inside and it's warm and you're going outside and it's a fall day, then understand that when you go outside, it appears that it's fully inflated, but you go outside, it's cold, and it's going to shrink on you. So that was just a quick tip. If you're inside and it's hot and you go outside, it's a fall day, and then it begins to shrink, then obviously that's a simple solution. Just have your hand pump and put some more air in it. All right, so that was a quick tip. All right, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, y'all.